2023 का कंटेंट 2024 में नहीं चलेगा दोस्तों. That's why today we will look into 5 trends that you can use it in your content creation journey and level up your game. Before we jump right into it, here is a secret tip. Hitting that like and subscribe button might make your video go viral. Don't take my word for it, that's what the social media goblins are saying. We all can see how AI is trending right now. That's what brings us to the first topic, AI. If you're not using AI to your very own advantage, then you will be left behind. Trust me when I say this because we all can see that AI has taken over a lot of jobs. I'm not saying this, but the study is. We all know there are plenty of websites that can write our scripts, edit videos, and save a lot of labor cost. Even if you're not using AI, just keep a look onto the market so that you are aware of certain so and so AI exists, because later in future, if you don't use them, then you will be left behind. AI can do a lot of things, but it lacks few things, जैसे कि adding creativity, adding a human tone to it. That's where you come in place. Make sure you use Make sure you use AI in such a way that it helps you in whatever you're doing. For example, you can see many YouTube creators. You see their script, majority of them take ideas from ChatGPT. There are so many other websites like Bing, etc. So you can try them out. There are a lot of free AI websites that you can use. On my Instagram profile, I have posted more than 100 AI websites that you can use to your very own advantage. I'll make sure to paste the link in the description. Make sure you check it. Coming in at number 2, we have short format videos. Since TikTok is banned in few countries, Instagram and YouTube is making its way down to the shorts and reels. That's why start creating videos, short videos. Trust me when I say this, there are studies that shown that video works much way better than the post. If you know any other platforms other than Instagram and YouTube, make sure you post even in those platforms, because posting in multiple platforms is better than posting in one, because we don't know when will this platform get banned or what might happen, we never know. Third on the list, we have authenticity and reliability. Post करने के चक्कर में कुछ भी मत डाल देना, because audience wants something real. So start posting without any filters. No, that's not what I meant. What I mean is share your failures, behind the scenes, the process, how you got from year to year. Because people and audience like the real thing, how you got over there, the story of your journey. They love to hear out. Yeah, I know that first 3 seconds of attention spam is really important, but there are a lot of creators who post content as it is and they get so much of views, trust me. This is how you build connection with your audience. Next time when you film and you trip and fall, don't edit that scene, add that clip and just post it, because we never know, that might be the next viral video. On number 4, we have POV, that is point of view. Your audience might download your video or share it with their friends if your video is or your content is relatable. POV content has proven that it connects your audience on a personal level. Hence, they will share it to more people and you can be a trendsetter. What I mean by POV content is that if you are filming anything and you want to give your point of view, then just write a caption and just post it, and use a trending audio if you want to do that, and trust me, it will work really good one or the other day. Number 5, we have trends.
समझ रहे हो?
Look for what is trending and what is in demand. अगर कुछ चीज ट्रेंड हो रही है, then take that and add your own secret ingredient and make that your very own special reel. For example, in 2023, there was an audio Kacha Badam that got very famous. But how will you use an entertainment into your educational content? It's quite simple. Just use that audio, but make sure you're doing some dance moves or anything which you're comfortable with, and educate them in caption or running captions. That's totally up to you. This is how you recreate the trend of your own version. Another way you can go with this is follow the top people within your niche and look out for their content, what they are posting, and you'll get an idea. Take that content, don't copy it completely, just add your secret ingredient and make it your own. You can recreate trends in your own version, you just have to use your brains. मतलब smart तो तुम हो, जल्दी से तो लगाओ अपना भेजा. ये सब ट्रेंड्स तो ठीक है, but याद रखना, consistency is the key. You can't expect to boom in no time, so be patient.